Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the previous AIMS question paper. So first question is, a nurse is preparing to give bath to admitted patient with perineal problem. Which of the following will help the patient? Options are bed bath, therapeutic bath, self bath with minimal help, none of the above. So right answer is B. In therapeutic bath, we will provide sitz bath to the patient. Next question is, nurse off from floor and patient fall from bed. This type of injury belongs to options are battery, negligence, tort and none. So right answer is B, negligence. Because battery meaning is the unlawful touching of person without consent and tort means civil wrong which causes an injury. Negligence is misconduct by medical practitioner by not providing enough care resulting in breach of duties and harming the patients. So according to question, correct answer is B. Next question is, patient's medical record with all essential information is responsibility of options are patient, director, treating doctor and medical superintendent. So right answer is D, medical superintendent. Next question is, postpartum woman having bleeding from first day after delivery is called as options are primary PPH, secondary PPH, third stage hemorrhage, true postpartum hemorrhage. So right answer is B, secondary PPH. PPH means postpartum hemorrhage. Because primary PPH occurs within 24 hours after birth, secondary PPH occurs after 24 hours to 6 weeks after delivery. Third stage hemorrhage occurs after birth but before delivery the placenta. True PPH means loss of blood more than 500 ml or 1000 ml within 24 hours. So correct answer is B. Next question is, in which condition distal pulse is preferred rather than apical pulse? Options are arrhythmia, shock, hypertension and heart block. Right answer is B, shock. We preferred distal pulse in shock because the blood pressure drops very low. Next question is, a pre-eclampsia woman, baby is lying with her mother, neonate born in 37 weeks after 57 hours. When she monitoring vital signs of baby, temperature is low 35 degrees Celsius. What you will do for that? Options are give punishment to mother for not carrying baby, separate the baby from mother, place baby under radiant warmer, cover the baby and check the vital signs after 30 minutes. So correct answer is D. Cover the baby and check the vitals after 30 minutes. We will cover the baby to warm and to increase the temperature. Next question is, a woman with third day postpartum has complaint of engorgement in breast. What is cut-off temperature for fever in postpartum woman? Options are 37 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, 39 degrees Celsius and 34 degrees Celsius. So correct answer is B, 38 degrees Celsius. Next question is, universal blood donor. Options are O, AB, A and B. So answer is A, O blood group. O blood group is universal donor. Next question is, WHO hand wash time with soap. Options are 40 to 60 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds, 2 minutes and 5 minutes. So answer is A, 40 to 60 seconds. Next question is, why it is necessary to remove dark colored nail paint before surgery? Options are nail paint interfere with SpO2 monitoring and we cannot assess capillary refill time. To prevent burns from cautery, nail paint increases chances of infections. To follow OT ethics. So correct answer is A. Nail paint interfere with SpO2 monitoring and we cannot assess capillary refill time. So the nurse remove nail paint before surgery. Next question is, patient with MRSA Admitted in MICU, the nurse has to provide colostomy care to the patient. Which PPE should the nurse use? MRSA full form is methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus, and MICU full form is Medical Intensive Care Unit, and PPE full form is Personal Protective Equipments. Options are gloves, gown, mask, gloves only, gloves and mask, gloves and shoe cover. So answer is A, gloves, gown and mask. Gloves are used in almost all procedures to prevent cross infection. Gowns are used to protect against spillage of fluid from colostomy. And mask is used to spread of MRSA infection through the air. Next question is, which Leopold maneuver is used to assess the fetal attitude during abdominal palpation of an ANC mother? Options are first, second, third and fourth. So correct answer is D, fourth Leopold maneuver. Because in first Leopold maneuver, we assess consistency, shape and mobility. In second Leopold maneuver, we assess the direction the fetal back is facing. In third Leopold maneuver, we assess part of the fetus. And in fourth Leopold maneuver, we assess the fetal attitude and degree of fetal extension into the pelvis. Next question is, self-care deficit theory proposed by D. Orams, Rogers, Betty Newman, Lininger. So correct answer is A, D. Orams. Self-care deficit theory proposed by D. Orams. Next question is, patient with anorexia nervosa taking food correctly as per her diet plan, but there was no increase in weight observed. What will be the nursing intervention for the above patient? Options are, observe patient while taking meal and after up to 2 hours. Increase calorie of food from 1500 to 2000. Add vitamin tablet to her medications. Engage them in other activities. So correct answer is A, observe patient while taking meal and after up to 2 hours. Because in anorexia nervosa, the patient becomes fearful that if he eats food, he will gain weight. Therefore, he stops eating, and sometimes patient induces self-vomiting after eating. Therefore, nurse should observe the patient for 2 hours. Next question is, which of the following component not present in normal saline? Options are sodium 154 milliequivalent per liter, chloride 154 milliequivalent per liter, potassium 52 milliequivalent per liter, none of the above. So correct answer is C, potassium 52 milliequivalent per liter, because the normal saline solution not contains potassium, it contains sodium chloride. Next question is, a priming gravida with O negative blood group delivered a baby with O positive blood group. While DCT was negative, what should be done next? Options are, repeat DCT, give 300 mg of anti-D to mother, give 150 mg of anti-D to mother, no need to give anti-D to mother. So answer is B, give 300 mg of anti-D to mother. And DCT full form is direct Coombs test. So we will give 300 mg of anti-D to mother, because if mother is given injection of anti-D within 24 hours of delivery, then the baby's cells which have entered in the bloodstream may be neutralized and harmful antibodies will not be produced. Next question is, all are crystalloid solutions except. Options are normal saline, Ringer lactate, 5% dextrose and HES. HES full form is hydroxyethyl starch. So correct answer is D, HES. Hydroxyethyl starch is the non-crystalloid solution. Next question is, an antenatal mother is admitted with complaints of eclampsia. What will be the loading dose of MgSO4 given to patient? Options are 4 ml in 16 ml NS, 8 ml in 12 ml of NS, 6 ml in 14 ml of NS, 2 ml in 18 ml of NS. So answer is 8 ml in 12 ml of normal saline. Next question is, following picture of sterile sponge used in emergency. It has a blue colored thread. What is the purpose of blue colored thread? Options are: blue line is radio opaque, blue color is easily visible when soiled in blood, no specific purpose, design of gauze piece. So answer is A. Blue line is radio opaque. As a safety measure, in the event the gauze is forgotten inside the patient during surgery, in this case we can detect the gauze by X-ray. Next question is: a patient was brought to ED with complaint of chest pain from last 1 hour. Which test is done to detect myocardial infarction? ED means emergency department. Options are: serum electrolyte, check ABG, check CBC, and troponin T. So correct answer is D, troponin T. Next question is: which of the psychiatric drug does not need any test dose before starting routine dose? Options are: haloperidol, risperidone, clozapine, quetiapine. So answer is clozapine. Because haloperidol, risperidone, quetiapine needs test dose. Next question is: a patient admitted in a ward with the diagnosis of delirium in first 24 to 48 hours, what nurse plan according to priority? Options are: orientation to person, place and environment, to restore bladder and bowel function, correct the wake and sleep cycle, to improve nutritional status. So answer is A, orientation to person, place and environment. Because in delirium the patient will be confused and unaware about surroundings. Next question is: a patient posted off surgery advised to remove jewelry because options are: to maintain OT ethics, it causes burns to patient with use of cautery, to prevent theft, to prevent disturbance to surgeon. So answer is B, it causes burns to patient with use of cautery. Cauterization is medical practice of burning of skin with laser, acid and hot object to stop excessive bleeding. If patient is wearing jewelry, then electrosurgical unit may pass electric current through jewelry and can cause burns. Next question is: at what time ward sense is done? Options are: daytime, morning shift, evening shift, none of the above. So answer is D, none of the above. Next question is: adrenaline dose in anaphylactic shock is? Options are: 1:1000 in 0.5 ml, 1:10,000 in 0.5 ml, 1:1000 in 1 ml, 1:10,000 in 1 ml. So answer is C, 1:1000 in 1 ml. Next question is: position for patients with continence RT feeding. RT means Rayleigh tube. Options are: spine position, Fowler's position, reverse Trendelenburg's position, and sidling position. So correct answer is B, Fowler's position. Nurse should place the patient with continence Rayleigh tube feeding to prevent aspiration. Next question is: normally enteral feedings are flushed with water to open broke tube and is feeding. In which area it is done with air? Options are: NICU, neonatal intensive care unit, operation unit, rehabilitation unit, critical care unit. So answer is A, neonatal intensive care unit. Children with fluid restriction, the fluid should be flushed with air to push feed or medication to the end of the tube, because some children are not allowed to take fluids. Next question is: 19-year-old unmarried girl came to gynae OPD for vaccination against cervical cancer. Which vaccine will be administered to the client? Options are: Gardasil, TCV, Bexsero, HBV. So answer is A, Gardasil. It's cervical cancer vaccine. TCV means typhoid conjugate vaccine used in typhoid fever. Bexsero is meningococcal vaccine, and HBV hepatitis B vaccine. Next question is, patient in emergency department diagnosed to have a fluid and air present in lung. What is the above mentioned condition known as? Options are hemothorax, hydropneumothorax, hemopneumothorax and pneumothorax. So answer is B, hydropneumothorax. In hydropneumothorax, presence of both air and fluid within the pleural space. Hemothorax means accumulation of blood within the pleural cavity. Hemopneumothorax means accumulation of blood more than 400 ml. Association with pneumothorax means air leakage from lungs. Pneumothorax means air leaks into the space between the lungs and chest wall. Next question is, lignocaine and adrenaline not used for repair of injury to digitalis because. Options are adrenaline causes vasoconstriction of blood vessels supplying digitalis, which may lead to decreased tissue perfusion and necrosis. Adrenaline decreases the effect of lignocaine. Adrenaline causes systemic effect. Adrenaline causes vasodilation, which may lead to increased bleeding. So answer is A. Adrenaline causes vasoconstriction of blood vessels supplying digitalis, which may lead to decreased tissue perfusion and necrosis. Next question is, patient with DVT is advised low molecular heparin, at which site nurse will administer this. Options are subcutaneous, intramuscular, oral and intravenous. So answer is A, subcutaneous. Next question is, glove papers are discarded in which BMW dustbin? BMW means biomedical waste. Options are black dustbin, red dustbin, yellow dustbin and blue dustbin. So correct answer is A, black dustbin. Because black dustbin is used to discard general waste, red bin is used infectious plastic waste and yellow bin is used infectious non-plastic like body parts, gauze with blood and dressings. Blue bin is used to discard infectious sharp waste. Next question is, BMW management of vial and broken ampule discarded in. Options are blue dustbin, red dustbin, black dustbin, blue cardboard box. So correct answer is D, blue cardboard box. Next question is, sharp blades and needle to be discarded in which of the following? Options are blue dustbin, red dustbin, white container, blue cardboard box. So correct answer is C, white container. And white container must be puncture proof. Next question is, Vicryl 3.0 is. Options are natural absorbable, synthetic non-absorbable, synthetic absorbable, natural non-absorbable. So answer is C, synthetic absorbable. Vicryl 3.0 are sutures, which is synthetic absorbable, used in surgery. Next question is, doctor prescribed pediatric child as follows: 50 ml fluid transfused over 30 minutes at drop rate of 15 ml per hour. In 30 minutes, what will be the flow rate? Options are 20, 50, 25 and 30. So correct answer is C, 25. So here is the formula to calculate flow rate. Total fluid in ml into drop factor divided by time in minutes. So answer will be 25. Next question is, nurse asked to give 1000 ml of normal saline at flow rate of 125 ml per hour. How much time it will take to complete this fluid? Options are 8 hours, 6 hours, 10 hours and 12 hours. So correct answer is A, 8 hours. So here is the formula to calculate infusion time. Total volume in ml divided by flow rate ml per hour. So answer will be 8 hours. Next question is, nurse on PICU advised to give 400 ml fluid to be given on 8 hours. Drop factor is 60 drops per minute. Nurse will run this fluid at what flow rate? Options are 13 drops per minute, 50 drops per minute, 17 drops per minute, and 30 drops per minute. So answer is B, 50 drops per minute. Here is the formula to calculate flow rate. Total fluid in ml into drop factor divided by time in minutes. Next question is, all of the following are correct regarding stoma formation except. Options are, stoma is created near the bony prominence. Stoma should be created away from bony prominence. Stoma is created in lower abdomen in fatty region. Stoma can be done anywhere. So answer is B, stoma should be created away from bony prominence. Next question is, ECG of the patient is showing ST depression, prominent U wave and inverted T wave. Which of the electrolyte imbalance present? Options are potassium 2.2 milliequivalent per liter, calcium 8.2 milliequivalent per liter, magnesium 1.8 mg per deciliter, sodium 133 milliequivalent per liter. So answer is A, potassium 2.2 milliequivalent per liter. Next question is, patient is undergoing blood transfusion and suddenly patient shows complaints of transfusion reaction. What will be the priority nursing intervention? Options are, stop the transfusion and remove cannula, stop the transfusion and flush with NS, complete the transfusion and administer injection AVIL, complete the transfusion and discard the bag. So answer is B, stop the transfusion and flush with NS. In this case, the first action of the nurse is stop the blood transfusion and start normal saline. Normal saline is used because saline does not cause RBCs to clump and maintains intravenous volume. Next question is, nurse taking care of child who is having epilepsy. What nurse should do immediately? Options are, airway management and provide sidling position, administer oxygen to child, do nothing and record the epilepsy type and duration, inform doctor about epilepsy and record in nurse's chart. So answer is A, airway management and provide silent position. The airway should be open and keep the airway open. Silent position helps to prevent aspiration. During seizures, stay with the child to protect him from injury and observe seizures activity. Next question is, what advice should a nurse give to a patient on lithium therapy? Options are, drink lot of water, take medicine after meal, take medicine on empty stomach, take high calorie diet. So answer is A, drink lot of water. Because lithium is very similar to sodium or salt, it makes you thirsty. If you don't drink more water, you can have a dry mouth. You should drink more water in lithium therapy. Next question is, all of the following are sesamoid bone except. Options are patella, fibula, calcaneum, semella. So correct answer is C, calcaneum is not a sesamoid bone. Next question is, how frequently will you conduct blood test while patient is on regular clozapine? Options are twice a week, weekly, monthly and fortnight. So answer is B, weekly. Because the risk of agranulocytosis means reduced WBC is greatest during the first 18 weeks of treatment. Therefore, we should do the blood test weekly to check white blood cells count. Next question is, patient with anorexia nervosa will have. Options are tachycardia, hypertension, hypothermia, bradycardia, hypotension, hypothermia, tachycardia, hypotension, hypothermia, bradycardia, hypertension, hyperthermia. So answer is C, tachycardia, hypotension and hypothermia. Because these signs are related to anorexia nervosa. Another options are not related to the anorexia nervosa. Next question is, patient is suffering from dyspnea. Which position will you provide for patient to relieve? Options are spine position, prone position, Trendelenburg's position and Fowler's position. So answer is D, Fowler's position, because it helps to facilitate breathing. Next question is, injection morphine is given intrathecal during procedure for pain relief after the procedure. After procedure, which of the following analgesic you will not administer? Options are paracetamol, diclofenac, tramadol and phentermine. So answer is D, phentermine. Next question is, needle stick injury can result in all of the following except. Options are HIV, HBV, HCV and malaria. So correct answer is D, malaria. Next question is, identify following instrument in image. Options are otoscope, tonometer, ophthalmoscope and stethoscope. So answer is A, otoscope. Otoscope is used to look into the ears. It gives a view of ear canal and tympanic membrane. That's all for today. Remaining questions of this AIIMS Delhi nursing exam will be discussed in the next video. Please comment down below if you want to see explanation of other nursing exam papers. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe the channel.